This money does not get the account bound, it just warms it up. Hello there, welcome to this tutorial in which I show you how you can verify and link your PayPal account to your Safaricom mobile phone. So this tutorial will work mostly for the people in Kenya, but I'll still show you how you can warm up that account because a new account needs to be warmed up. So this tutorial still will be helpful regardless of your country. Now, the first thing you need to do is create a PayPal account if you do not have one. And then after creating an account, on your PayPal account, you can use a mobile app or you can just use Chrome to create one. So today we'll be using mobile to do everything. Let's say that you have created a PayPal account and this is the account. As you can see here, I have my account here and you can see it has made some transaction. Now, if you want to verify that account, what you do is you'll need an MPesa app. PayPal and Safaricom just agreed to be using this app and then you have no way of avoiding that. Now I just open the app. Here on this dashboard, what you need to just scroll down and then you will see somewhere where we have PayPal. We have PayPal here and we have somewhere we have Global Pay Visa. Now, if you don't have a Visa, you need first to create one, a Safaricom one, because it also helps you to verify the account. After creating a Visa, you just to create a Visa, you open this one and then you just be required to enter your PIN and then after all that it will be created. So you just create one and then after creating you will come here to link your account. So I just open it and then I'll show you how I can link my account here. So here I still enter my PIN and then I'll be logged into my PayPal account. So this is where I can just withdraw or top up my account. So if I wanted to withdraw, I have the option there. If you have not already linked your account and then you open that PayPal, it will be asking you to link the account. So make sure that the number that you have used to sign into this app is the one that you are linking up to this account. And another thing you need to keep in mind is that that number also needs to be in your PayPal account. If it is not there, go and add it because you will not be able to add it here. That number needs to have the same name as the one on that PayPal account, otherwise it will not link. Now, let's say that you have linked your account. What you need to do next is that in your M-Pesa account, this number, the one that you have linked, it should have a balance of around 350 so that you verify your account. That balance will be refunded. That is almost $1.95 there. Now, you have your Visa now. We have numbers that Visas have. We have that number. You will open your PayPal account on your app or your laptop. You just open it there and then this is your Visa. You just come to wallet here, just down below here you'll see wallet. Just open it and then you can link your card there. You just open it and you can link your card there. After linking your card, you will not be able to confirm that card using your app. You will need to open your Chrome, search PayPal, and then after searching PayPal, login, and then after logging in, just try to find where you will see that card. Just tap on it and then you will see somewhere where you need to confirm. So after tapping that confirm, there is a code that will be sent. So this is a code. You will enter 3323. A code will look that way. So that is the code that you will enter on that website and then you will confirm it. So make sure that you confirm it so that they get to confirm that, and then after they verify your account, they will refund the money back to your MPesa account. And that is how you can verify your account. And after verifying your account, how do you warm it up? So it is still a new account and it can get banned if you deposit or you receive money from someone, and that is where UPI comes in. As you have seen, I had some transactions where I was showing you some transaction there. Those transactions are meant to warm up the account so that it does not get banned right away. Now, we have a website that you can just be using AIs, getting points and withdrawing that money to your PayPal account so that you warm it up. It does not get banned right away. And I leave this website in the description so that you get free 5,000 points that you can withdraw. So here you just prompt, then after prompting you can see just below here my credits. You just wait for it. It will be using two AIs to generate a response. You just review which AI is the best, and then you get free points which you can later withdraw to your PayPal account. And this money does not get the account banned, it just warms it up. If you have any question, you want to start trading, or you have anything you can say, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll be answering every comment there. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video if you subscribe.